Okay.
Oh look, we left him cookies last night. Remember the cookies? What happened? He ate them? And he drank the milk?
I ate the cookies.
And he ate the cookies? Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
Do you love it?
Yeah. I love my cow.
You love your cow? It's a little couch for Laker. What do you think, Kizzo? What do you think about all this? Oh, you want to draw on the board? Wait a minute. Why don't we open a few presents first?
What?
Okay. Okay. Why don't you sit on Mr. Giraffe? Ah!
I was actually gonna get her a little couch.
Can I get a couch or?
The little Sophia one.
Want the Sophia one? Okay, hold on. Dad's gonna bring the Sophia couch. Chips. Maybe that's why he said you had to brush your teeth.
Yeah.
No, Kizzo got her stockings. She got it. Hey! Hey, what did you get? Laker, what did you get? Chips. Bless
I
you.
love it.
You love it. Oh my
Tell
goodness.
about it.
That's so sweet of Santa. Kizzo got that for you. That's so sweet.
Are you opening it?
Not yet, not yet. We don't open all of our presents yet. First, can you sit down? Like, there's more stuff in your stocking.
What is it?
I don't know. Maybe you should sit down and look. Sit on your chair. Look what's in your stocking. Oh my goodness. Look at it here. Okay. Stacey, grab one for you. Presents, presents, Christmas morning presents. Oh, you need help getting it out?
No, thank you.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, let me just do this right here. Okay. Who's that one from? Oh, that one's from Bear Kizzle too. She's so sweet. She got you presents. Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Look at our bumbo thing all the way down.
Yeah, I was actually thinking about putting her in the jumper.
I think she's good like
Stand
that.
up. Okay. Good girl, Laker. Into the good job. See that, Dad?
What is it? Fruit snacks.
Fruit snacks.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, so cool. Good kiss.
Stocking.
What was in her stocking?
I know this. Let me open it.
No, this was inside of her stocking. Look. Oh my goodness, comida. That one's from Mama. Okay, you have your stocking. That one's from Santa.
Oh. Take them.
How did Santa know?
Take them.
How did he know you love pink gum?
Inside. I love it.
Make sure you put the trash in the box.